Can you file for custody if you're still living with your child's other parent? Hi, I'm Alycia Kinchloe, the owner of Kinchloe Law, a family law practice based in the Philadelphia area. Now, at times when we see people filing for custody, the parties are living separate and apart. However, that's not always the case. Now, this is the part in the video I'm going to remind you to speak with an attorney licensed in your state about the facts specific to your case, and that these videos are for informational purposes and are not legal advice. Now, when it comes to filing for custody, again, we generally see people that have been separated, but that's not always the case. At times when people are going through a divorce or a separation, maybe they can't decide who's going to stay in the house or the apartment. Both of their names are on the lease, even if they're not married. Or if they are married, maybe one person can't afford to move, or neither person can afford to move out of the residence. So for that reason, they continue to live separate and apart, which is a term of art in the legal world, which the court accepts that people are living separate and apart, but are still living under the same roof. That can also be the case for a custody case. So in the custody statutes, and I'm going to link to the specific statute in the show notes below, the court or the statutes give the rights of a person to seek relief under the custody statute if they are living separate and apart together. But it does say that any award of custody does not become effective until one of two things happen. The first one is that one of the parties physically leaves the premises, or two, one of the parties is granted exclusive possession of the premises. So it's important to understand that any award that's given by the way that the statutes are structured does not become effective till one of those two things happen, but it does not prevent you from seeking relief. Now, oftentimes a clerk or someone else, or some attorneys even, are going to tell you that it's not worth it to file, or that you can't file while you're still together. That is not necessarily the case, because the statute is clear that you may seek relief. You just have to understand that it cannot become effective until one of those two things happen. And it may affect the way that the court is able to evaluate your case under the 16 factors when the parties are still living together. All right, so if you have any questions about this video, please put them in the comments below. If there are any other topics you would like us to cover under custody, divorce, and support, please also put that in the comments below. And I'm going to also link to our website address and our telephone number. So if you want to contact us about this or any other topic in family law, you can reach out to us. All right, until next time, take care.